Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set the BCSE Curriculum Resources It's Learning page as the start page or home page for your It's Learning course, so it's the first place that your students are taken when they click on your course from the courses drop-down menu. So first thing, you need to make sure you're logged on to It's Learning, and then you need to go to the course where you would like to set this up in. You also need to make sure you've already put the elementary curriculum resources page on your It's Learning, and this is what that looks like. So you would get that from the It's Learning library. You can look for it there, search this title, and add it to your course. There's a separate video where I explain how to do that. But if you already added that into your course, you need to be in your course, click the More button, and go to Settings. After you are on the Settings screen, click Course Properties and Features. We're going to scroll down, and right below the Functions area, there's a drop-down menu that says Choose Start Page. So you're going to pick this drop-down, and then if you still kept the name of the resource, meaning that page, it would be BCSE Elementary Curriculum Resources, so you'd click that. If you gave it a different name, then you would need to click on that name here in the options that are shown. But I would click the name of the Elementary Curriculum Resources page. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. All right, and I will test that by clicking outside of my course here for a second. So to test and see that that's where my students are taken first, click Courses, click on your course, and it should take me. Yep, it did. Took me to this resource page. So now my students will go here instead of the course overview page whenever they go to my class. And you can customize this page as well, but all of your curriculum links and resources are loaded here for your students.